Good morning, everyone. My name is Varun Razada, and I'm a resident of Delhi. I have done my 10th and 12th from Universal Public School through CBSE board. After my schooling, I decided to pursue Bachelor's of Technology in Mechanical Engineering with a specialization in automotive from Delhi Technological University. During my BTech, I have done two internships in the manufacturing units of JCB India Limited and Escorts Agri Manufacturing Limited. In the final year of my BTech, I have done a project on design and fabrication of suspension system for a Formula SAE vehicle and developing a matrix method for force calculation in its members. After my BTech, I was also able to get a paper published based on my project in a technical conference called REAM 2020. For the past years, I have been preparing for GATE 2021 with a focus on getting admission in PGDIE course of NEET. In my free time, I like to follow on the global geopolitical events as well as global economical outlook. I believe that I have all the required traits and characteristics that would make me a good fit for NEET. Thank you.
Okay, so Varun, you are mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir.
So why you want to join NITI?
Because this is from my, sir, you can say a personal experience when I did the internship. The mentor I was working under told me that it is quite hard to go up the ladder even if you have the technical knowledge. It is better to have the managerial qualification and knowledge so you can get a good job in the corporate world.
Okay, Varun, you must be aware about the COVID situation in Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me that?
So COVID is really hard hitting for Delhi even in the first phase, and now in second phase it is quite disastrous. Our chief minister is asking the center on Twitter for oxygen and all this, and people are dying just outside the hospital. So it is a very grim situation.
Now, you as mechanical engineer, I want to ask you, what can we do to restore the oxygen supply?
Sir, I think the first precaution should have been taken just after the phase one by building some kind of oxygen plant or some kind of temporary oxygen plants in and around Delhi, seeing how bad the first wave was. Now, at this moment, I think the most important part is the delivery of oxygen, because we are hearing there is a oxygen available, but we can't deliver it to the hospital due to different either lockdown or the farmers are protesting and this and that. So clearing the way for oxygen to reach the hospital is the, I think, the most important aspect right now. In the engineering terms, I have heard that DRDO is now applying the technology that converts oxygen for the Tejas plane and bringing it to Delhi. So we will see how that goes.
As a mechanical engineer, have you ever used oxygen?
Uh, we have used oxygen during, I think, in our welding, in our first year for welding.
Yeah, exactly. I want you to tell me something about oxyacetylene welding.
Oxyacetylene welding, sir, it uses basically oxygen as an oxidizer and um, oxygen as an oxidizer to basically heat the metal up to 3200 degrees Celsius so it melts and then can fuse together to form a joint.
Okay, what kind of flame do you get when oxygen is in excess?
When oxidizing flame we get when the oxygen is like in
What kind of
excess.
flame is that? I mean, how does it look? कैसे दिखती है?
It is, I think it is white in the center, like and hot, like 3200, 3300 degrees Celsius.
And what about when acetylene is in excess?
I am not sure about that, sir.
Okay, tell me something about oxygen cylinder. How does it look? And acetylene cylinder also.
Sir, looks it, I think like if your shape you're asking just cylindrical shape, big
No,
one.
I'm
And
asking about the color and size.
color, I'm not sure, sir, color and size.
Okay, let me tell you. One is maroon, another is black. Tell me about oxygen.
Oxygen, sir, like I'm not sure what about
आपने
oxygen.
देखा है सिलेंडर लैब में?
Yes, I have seen it, sir.
So एक लंबा सा काला
Yes,
सा
sir. I've seen actually like the length and shape and all that, but in I didn't actually focus on cause our focus was on seeing how the welding works, because it is a very dangerous. So they told us to just focus on the welding part because that is most important.
Okay. Now tell me one thing, like how will you fill these cylinders? Cylinder filling process.
Cylinder filling process is something I just recently have came to know about. Like we have this filling places around our country, and they have like a big, uh, large, you can
Can
say
I call it
almost
adiabatic process?
uh, filling cylinder. We can uh, no, we cannot call it an adiabatic process, because I think there is a transfer of heat to the surrounding, because liquid oxygen is quite
Okay.
low
Can you tell me
temperature.
which process is called adiabatic?
Adiabatic processor, there is no transfer of heat from system to the surrounding or vice versa.
Give some examples.
Like, sir, if we consider like in idealized SI engine, like what we study,
Acha,
adiabatic compression and
fast process is not adiabatic.
fast and slow, I think is not the criteria for being adiabatic or not.
Have you heard about free expansion process in thermodynamics?
Yes, sir. I've heard when the expansion is against a vacuum, it's called a free expansion.
Is it adiabatic?
It is yeah, because there is no loss in any energy related going outside of the system. Yes, it is an adiabatic.
Do you know why it is adiabatic?
From, sir, I can tell you, like from the from what I have studied, uh, since there is no work and there is no internal energy change, there is no heat change also, so it is an adiabatic.
Actually, there is no heat energy change and there is no work change, so it is constant internal energy process.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, why not heat energy change? Because it is fast.
Okay.
Because for heat to transfer, two things are required: time and space.
Okay.
If there is no time, it is adiabatic, very fast process.
Okay, sir.
And similarly, the sound, velocity of sound, you know how it is calculated, velocity of sound? It is assumed to be adiabatic process.
Okay.
Newton assumed it to be isothermal and made a mistake.
Oh.
Then correction was done and it was made adiabatic process. Are you aware about that? What
No,
is the
sir, I
speed of
wasn't
sound?
aware about that.
What is the speed of sound?
Speed of sound in like, sir, 1,000 meter per second.
What?
1,000 meter per second, sir.
Have you heard about 332 meter per second?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, 330, 330
What
meter
is
per second.
supersonic?
When the velocity on object is greater than the velocity of sound in a medium, in that
Okay.
medium.
Can you name some supersonic cruise missile India has made?
Yeah, BrahMos, it is
Yeah.
almost twice the speed of sound.
So what is the number which defines the speed of BrahMos?
Mach number, it is 2
Yeah.
Mach.
Okay. Anybody wants to ask question from Varun?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Varun, as you told that your hobbies are to study economic surveys, can you please put a light on the topic that can India become a $5 trillion economy by 2025?
Yes, I can talk about it, especially with the second COVID surge. I think it was already a very hard task to do, and now it has become even more harder with how the world is changing and how bad we can see that around the globe the economic recovery has been picking up. The IMF have already predicted India to be like growing by 12%, but with that second wave and how devastating it is, I think it will be very hard to just get to the 12%, and we need more than that year after year for a 5 trillion economy. So I think it will be almost impossible, but of course there is a chance, but I don't think so. We will be able to get 5 trillion by 2025, but we will get there, I think, because we have that potential, we have that population. So we will get there, but I don't think by 2025 it will be possible.
Okay.
Okay. So Varun, let me give you the feedback.
Okay,
How
sir.
did you find your interview, Varun?
Can you give me a second? Yes, sir.
How did you find your interview? What is your feedback for yourself?
Sir, I have actually very much afraid of that, like the introduction part, especially because like I have just gotten out of the college. I don't have like that the skills. Like I have not done the job or so. I was really focused on the introduction part because it was quite small when I was practicing it. I was going very fast. So just I wanted to get a feedback from like you.
नर्वस थे तुम इंट्रोडक्शन
Yes,
में?
sir.
नर्वस थे, नो डाउट. उसका थोड़ा
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस करो, एक दो बार और इंटरव्यू दो, डोंट वरी, इंटरेक्शन
Yes.
दो. और वो कॉलेज में या एक्सपीरियंस का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है उसमें. बी कंफर्टेबल. दिल्ली कॉलेज के हो यार, व्हाई टू, दिल्ली के हो
Yes.
तुम.
Yeah,
दिल्ली
sir.
के लड़के तो वैसे कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं, व्हाई टू वरी.
Yes.
राइट
Okay,
वरुण?
Okay.
बी बोल्ड, बी मोटिवेट. लेकिन व्हाट इज वरीसम इज लाइक यू आर वेरी पुअर इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग.
Okay, sir.
तुम्हें ऑक्सी एसिटिलीन गैस वेल्डिंग का सिलेंडर दिमाग में नहीं है, वो लैब में होता है. नंबर 2, तुम्हें थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का भी आइडिया नहीं, एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस का. दैट इज वेरी बेसिक थिंग. नीटी में वो कहीं से कहीं पहुंच जाएगा, लिंक बना बना के.
Okay.
जैसे ऑक्सीजन बोला, वो करंट में पहुंचेगा. ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर की सप्लाई कैसे रिस्टोर होगी. जितने पब्लिक सेक्टर हैं, जितने और इंडस्ट्रियल हाउसेज हैं, वो अपने ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई हॉस्पिटल्स को दें. इन एंड अराउंड दिल्ली भी बहुत से पब्लिक सेक्टर हैं, और फार्म एजिटेशन वगैरह की वजह से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हैम्पर नहीं हो रहा है. वो नहीं है रीजन. उसका रीजन है जुडिशरी ने आज बोला है कि तुम जितने भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं उनको बंद करो और ऑक्सीजन अस्पतालों को दो.
Okay.
इंडस्ट्रीज बंद की जा सकती हैं, तो सारे पब्लिक सेक्टर में जहां ऑक्सीजन यूज होती है वो आगे दे दें उनको, क्या ट्रबल है.
Okay.
सो दैट इज हाउ. आपने डीआरडीओ का एग्जांपल लिया. डीआरडीओ इज वन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट ओनली, दैट दो दैट इज अ रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बट इंडस्ट्रीज के पास भी ऑक्सीजन बहुत ज्यादा होती है. राइट. तो गुड़गांव का जो जितना एरिया आसपास का गुरुग्राम का एरिया है, वहां पे जहां जहां ऑक्सीजन है वो हॉस्पिटल्स को सप्लाई की जाए.
Okay.
एंड फिलिंग ऑफ द गैस सिलेंडर इज अ वेरी फास्ट प्रोसेस एंड इट इज एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस.
Okay.
मिली सेकेंड में एक सिलेंडर भरता है, मिली सेकेंड्स में इंडस्ट्री के अंदर सिलेंडर चलता जाता है और सप्लाई, वो वॉल्व खुलता है और सप्लाई में एलपीजी सिलेंडर, ऑल दीज सिलेंडर्स आर गेटिंग फिल्ड अप. राइट. वेरी फास्ट प्रोसेस. इट इज एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस.
Okay.
राइट. सो यू शुड हैव दैट नॉलेज. एंड
Okay.
ऑक्सीजन की ट्रबल क्या है, सप्लाई चेन रिलेटेड टू दैट क्या है, ये थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है. दिल्ली से रिलेटेड वो सारी चीज आपको पढ़नी है. राइट.
Okay.
करंट इश्यूज एंड ऑल ही विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर ओवरऑल ग्रास्प ऑफ थिंग्स, ओवरऑल जो चीजों का नॉलेज है. क्योंकि जो मैनेजर होगा ना, बड़े मेटिकुलसली चीजें ऑब्जर्व करता है. ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर बहुत तगड़ी होती है मैनेजर्स की.
Okay.
ऐसा नहीं होता कि साहब हमने वेल्डिंग तो देखी सर, मैंने आर्क तो देख ली, लेकिन सिलेंडर देखना भूल गया. ऐसा नहीं होता. क्योंकि वो एक काले रंग का होता है, एक मैरून कलर का होता है, वो अवॉइड ही नहीं होता. वो तुम्हें दिख जाएगा एक पतला सा, लंबा सा, एक मोटा सा, छोटा सा, एक काला, एक मैरून. ऐसे कलर क्यों है यार, बताओ. और ये पूरे का पूरा एक बेसिकली एक क्वेश्चन है स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल एंड थर्मोडायनामिक्स का, कि सिलेंडर की कलर ऐसा क्यों है, शेप ऐसी क्यों है.
Okay. Okay.
वो चीज थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करो ढंग से.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है वरुण. बाकी
Okay.
मैंने करंट के इश्यूज, इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग के इश्यूज बहुत से भेजे हैं. करंट के इश्यूज तो मैंने ज्यादा पूछे ही नहीं थे तुमसे भी.
Yes, sir.
तो सबके इंटरव्यू सुन ले, और जितना मटेरियल भेजा है भाई 3-4 दिन है, लगा ले, निकाल लेगा तू. राइट.
Okay.
ओके, डन. एनीथिंग वांट टू आस्क?
Sir, I just wanted to like to get little grasp on like overall, if you have to like tell me, you have told about that technical part, and the other like if you can tell me about like
हाँ, तो
what I've
पार्ट
answered.
हैं. 4 पार्ट हैं. एक था इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट.
Okay.
इंट्रोडक्शन में आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थे, और इंट्रोडक्शन में आप ये बता नहीं पाए कि आपको पैशन क्यों है नीटी के लिए, और मैं आपको क्यों लूं, ये आप बता नहीं पाए.
Okay.
वो मिस हो गया. दूसरा है मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज, वहां फॉल्टर कर गए. तीसरा है करंट इश्यूज. तो करंट इश्यूज जो है, वहां पे भी मैंने ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर का आपको आज इस वेरी डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा है. दिल्ली से रिलेटेड ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई वगैरह क्या है, वो भी आप फॉल्टर किए वहां पे. राइट. चौथा है इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड चीज जो मैंने पूछी नहीं अभी तक.
Okay.
तो ये 4 चीज है जहां पे वरुण तुम्हें परफॉर्म करना है.
Okay.
वर्कआउट करो, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आओ, और 2-3 दिन में हो जाएगा. परफॉर्म करो.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
ओके.